Shira Heideman again. I hope everyone is having a really nice Passover. Today I have my boys with me here today. This is Shai, and this is Gavriel. And today we are going to be making a house made out of Matzah. So we're going to show you the house that we're going to make, and then I hope you guys will share your Matzah house pictures with us. Post them in the comments. Okay, here we go.
Now we're going to wipe.
All right, we're going to need a lot of matzah.
Oh, the whole box?
Not the whole box.
Why is it going to be just like a little bit of matzah?
Okay, we need a floor for the house, right? And what do we need to put on the sides? Walls. Okay, who wants to put up the first wall?
Me!
Okay, put it up. Okay, ready? So let's put the walls up. Good. Gabrielle, you want to put one on? Make the walls stick together. Okay, hold that one up. Hold it up. Now hold it up here. Ready? Put it in.
Can I put the whipped cream on?
Good.
Can I put the whipped cream on? Yeah?
Okay, ready? Hold this together, Gabrielle, with your other hand.
Oh yeah, it actually looks like real bricks on that.
Yeah, it does.
So that's why you did the house made out of matzah. Wait, why are we doing it?
Putting this in here. Okay, now I need 2 more pieces because we're going to need to make a roof.
Our 2 special matzahs that we are going to use today. Our 2 special, you just got me frosting on me.
Get that off. You can lift it. Gabrielle, you're doing a great job holding the walls up.
Oh, it looks like real bricks.
We gotta put a lot of frosting on to make it stick together.
A lot? Matzah, you know, tastes good.
That's the best that we can do for now. And then
Whipped cream.
I think we need to break this matzah in half.
Like the middle matzah that's the afikomen.
Right. But we need 2 even halves, so we're gonna try and do like that and like that. Let's
That's
see.
the afikomen.
Yeah. Okay, this is gonna be our roof, so we gotta put some frosting on the bottom.
Okay, guys. When are we gonna use this, Mommy?
At the end, we're gonna make some doors and some windows. Okay, we're gonna put some frosting at the top so it sticks together.
Oh, it's glue.
Okay, hold this one. Hold it at the bottom. Good.
Everyone, look at the frosting. Okay, guys, everyone, look at the frosting.
We're not gonna lick the frosting.
Ah!
Oh. Ah. Look it. Okay, ready?
Everybody, here's an instruction. When you are making your matzahs, you are supposed to lick it.
Okay, let's try and put the roof together. Ready?
Boom, you did it.
Yay!
That's our house?
Okay, we made our matzah house. Now we need to make a door and
I'll
some
make
windows.
the door right.
Good job. Wait, we have a door. And can I make some windows? Okay, and we're gonna make some windows.
need a door? Yeah. You need to make...
Oh, and I think we need a door handle, a little doorknob. Okay. Okay, so there we go. We have our matzah house. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that you guys all take care and have fun with this activity. And we can't wait to see the houses that you guys make, so post your pictures in the comments. Say bye, happy Passover.
Bye, happy Passover.